It's one of the largest tree nuts on Earth. Rich, earthy, and unmistakable. But inside, this dense Amazonian seed has something far more potent than calories or crunch. A single Brazil nut contains enough of one essential nutrient to shift hormone levels, sharpen your mind, and rebuild your gut barrier. Let's uncover what makes this humble nut a compact source of extraordinary nutrition. Brazil nuts come from the Bertholletia excelsa tree, one of the tallest and longest living trees in the Amazon rainforest. Native to Brazil, Bolivia, and Peru, this majestic tree depends on untouched forest ecosystems and wild pollinators to thrive. For centuries, indigenous communities in the Amazon harvested Brazil nuts as both food and medicine. Indigenous peoples such as the Kayapo and Yanomami have long used the Brazil nut not only for food, but also for oil extraction, torches, and ceremonial use. By the 20th century, Brazil nuts became a major export product for Bolivia and Brazil, and remain a vital source of income for indigenous and riverine communities today. Because the trees can only grow in untouched rainforest ecosystems and cannot be cultivated on plantations, Brazil nuts have become a symbol of sustainable forest economies and conservation efforts. They come from one of the tallest trees in the rainforest and live up to 500 years. And like the tree itself, the health benefits they offer are just as enduring. Science is now shedding light on what ancestral wisdom already knew. Brazil nuts are rich in compounds with powerful biological effects. Among the most potent bioactive compounds inside Brazil nuts are selenium, a trace mineral essential for thyroid hormone production, antioxidant enzyme function, and immune health. Brazil nuts are the richest natural source in the world. Selenium-dependent glutathione peroxidase, a powerful antioxidant enzyme that your body produces using the selenium from Brazil nuts. It helps neutralize harmful free radicals and protect cells from oxidative stress. Tocopherols and phenolic compounds. These antioxidant compounds support cardiovascular and cellular health. Magnesium and zinc, critical minerals that help regulate mood, metabolism, and muscle function. These nutrients don't just sound impressive, they deliver measurable results in the vital systems of the body. 1. Thyroid hormone regulation. Selenium is critical for converting the thyroid hormone T4 into its active form, T3. Without enough selenium, thyroid function slows, leading to fatigue, sluggish metabolism, and mood changes. In patients undergoing kidney dialysis, a population prone to selenium deficiency, eating just one Brazil nut per day improved levels of both T3 and T4, while reducing inflammatory markers like TNF-alpha and IL-6. Even in healthy populations, adding 1 or 2 Brazil nuts daily has been shown to restore optimal selenium status, especially in regions with low selenium soil. 2. Cognitive function and brain protection. In older adults with mild cognitive impairment, a daily Brazil nut made a remarkable difference. After 6 months, participants who consumed just 1 nut a day had significantly improved verbal fluency and executive function compared to controls. Blood selenium levels doubled. Glutathione peroxidase antioxidant enzyme activity increased. And the improvements were measurable in real-world brain performance. In addition, Brazil nuts provide magnesium and zinc, 2 minerals essential for brain signaling and mood balance, which may complement their cognitive benefits. 3. Gut health and anti-inflammatory action. Brazil nuts may also support a healthy gut barrier. In one study, just 8 grams of Brazil nuts per day, about 2 nuts, improved intestinal permeability, reduced systemic inflammation, and preserved gut barrier integrity. This may have wide-reaching effects on digestion, immune balance, and even mood, thanks to the gut-brain connection. 4. Cardiovascular health support. Brazil nuts may also support heart health by improving cholesterol levels and reducing oxidative stress. In one study, participants who ate just 4 Brazil nuts in a single serving experienced a significant drop in LDL cholesterol and a rise in HDL cholesterol within 9 hours. Even more remarkably, these effects lasted up to 30 days, despite no further Brazil nut intake. Alongside selenium, Brazil nuts also contain tocopherols and phenolic compounds, antioxidants that further protect blood vessels from oxidative damage and support healthy circulation. Did you know? Just one Brazil nut can provide more than 100% of your daily selenium needs. But more isn't always better. Too much can lead to toxicity over time. So here's how to use Brazil nuts safely and effectively, along with creative ways to incorporate them into your meals. Eat 1 to 2 Brazil nuts per day. This delivers 100 to 400 micrograms of selenium, which is enough to see benefits without risking toxicity. Chop and sprinkle over oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie bowls for a buttery-rich crunch. Blend into nut butter with almonds or cashews for a creamy, mineral-packed spread. Pulse into energy balls made with dates, cocoa, and coconut for portable, nutrient-dense snacks. However you enjoy Brazil nuts, make sure to store them properly as their high-fat content makes them prone to rancidity. Keep them in an airtight container in the fridge or freezer. You might have always overlooked Brazil nuts, but this humble nut is one of nature's most potent functional foods, quietly delivering powerful benefits to your thyroid, brain, and gut. The deeper we look, the more we realize. Nature has been whispering solutions in every leaf, seed, and nut, long before modern science started to explain their effects. So let's keep exploring what nature has tucked away in plain sight, rediscovering how the simplest foods can quietly transform our health from within. After all, health is wealth, and every bite is an investment in yourself.